Hello, classmates! Welcome to the tea processing course. In the previous two lessons, we explored the fundamental knowledge of tea processing, including the history of tea making and tea types, as well as the naming and classification of teas. Starting from this lesson, we will delve into the processing of the 6 major tea categories: green tea, white tea, yellow tea, king tea, black tea, and dark tea. Today, we will begin by learning about the quality characteristics of green tea. Green tea is one of the main types of tea produced in China. It is a non-fermented tea, made without fermentation, with a long history, extensive production areas, high output, excellent quality, and stable sales. It is also the most widely consumed tea in China. Green tea is produced by using high-temperature enzyme inactivation to deactivate the polyphenol oxidase in fresh tea leaves, followed by shaping and drying. It is characterized by a clear liquor and green leaves quality. Next, let's take a look at the classification of green tea. Based on the methods of drying and enzyme inactivation, green tea can be divided into 4 categories: pan-fried green tea, baked green tea, sun-dried green tea, and steamed green tea. Green tea dried using a roller or pan is called pan-fried green tea. Tea dried by baking is called baked green tea. Tea dried using sunlight is called sun-dried green tea. And green tea made from fresh leaves processed with steam enzyme inactivation is called steamed green tea. In addition, there are also semi-pan-fried green tea and semi-steamed and pan-fried green tea. Pan-fried green tea includes long pan fried green tea, round pan fried green tea, flat pan fried green tea, and curly pan fried green tea. Long pan fried green tea mainly includes Métis and Tun green tea. Round pan fried green tea mainly includes green pearl tea and Pingshui gunpowder tea. Flat pan fried green tea includes Westlake Longjing tea and Juiking green tea. Curly pan fried green tea includes Bilhuachun and Duyanmaojian. Baked green tea mainly includes Luan Guobian, Huangshan Mafang, Taiping, Haokui, and Zuni Mafang. Sun-dried green tea mainly includes Dayang green tea, Chuan green tea, and Shan green tea. Steamed green tea mainly includes Enchi Gyakuro, Japanese Gyakuro, and Japanese Sencha. Requirements for fresh leaves of green tea. Green tea products come in a wide variety, including bulk teas such as Métis, gunpowder tea, and baked green tea, as well as specialty green teas with diverse forms like Longjing, Mafang, and Guobian. Different types of green tea have varying requirements for the tenderness, freshness, and uniformity of fresh leaves. Bulk teas, such as Métis, gunpowder tea, and baked green tea, generally require fresh leaves with a certain level of maturity, and the picking standard is 1 bud with 2 or 3 leaves. For premium specialty green teas, except for a few unique varieties, most require tender buds and leaves. Some require 1 bud with 2 leaves just unfolding. Some require 1 bud with 1 leaf, and others require only a single tender bud. Although the requirements differ, all types of green tea share common criteria for the suitability of fresh leaves. The leaf color should generally be dark green. Purple buds and leaves are not suitable for processing into green tea. The leaf size is typically best with small to medium leaf varieties. In terms of chemical composition, high levels of chlorophyll and protein are desirable, while the content of polyphenolic compounds should not be too high, and the anthocyanin content should be minimized. Quality characteristics of various green teas. Although there are many types of green tea, high-quality green teas share common characteristics. Dry tea with an emerald green or yellow-green color, a tender green or light yellow-green liquor after brewing, a fresh and fragrant aroma with notes of chestnut or floral scents, and a refreshing, mellow, and brisk taste that is strong but not astringent. Different types of green teas have their own unique quality characteristics. Let's take a closer look at the quality features of Duyanmaojian Westlake Longjing Tea, Huangshan Mafeng, and Chigakuro, and Green Pearl Tea. Westlake Longjing, produced in Hangzhou, Zhejiang, is renowned for its unique qualities, green color, rich fragrance, mellow taste, and beautiful shape. The dry tea has a flat and smooth appearance, with a tender green and glossy color. The liquor is yellow-green and bright, with a clear and delicate aroma, and a refreshing taste reminiscent of fresh olives. The brewed leaves are tender and form clusters. Diyun Maojian is one of China's top 10 famous teas, named by Mao Zedong in 1956. It is highly regarded in Guizhou, with the saying, "In the north, there is Matai; in the south, there is Maojian." In 1915, it won a gold medal at the Panama International Exposition. Traditionally processed Diyun Maojian is known for a triad of green shades permeated by a triad of golden tones. This tea is characterized by tightly wounded, slender, and curly leaves that exhibit a vibrant green color with a noticeable presence of pico. The liquor is tender yellow-green and bright, with a distinct chestnut aroma and a refreshing, mellow taste. The brewed leaves are tender green and bright. Huangshan Mafeng is produced in the Huangshan area of Anhui Province. The premium-grade Huangshan Mafeng tea is characterized by its plump banana leaf sets, which resemble a sparrow's tongue. The leaves display a tender green hue, with gold and yellow tips, an oily, golden sheen, and a distinct presence of silvery pico. The liquor is yellow-green and bright, with an orchid-like fragrance and a mellow, sweet taste. After brewing, the buds and leaves form clusters. Enchi Yakuro is produced in Enchi, Hubei. The tea has tightly rolled, smooth, slender, and straight leaves resembling needles, with a verdant green and glossy color. The liquor is green and bright, with a seaweed-like aroma and a refreshing, sweet, and mellow taste. The brewed leaves are tender, even, and bright. Green Pearl Tea is one of the top 10 famous teas in Guizhou, introduced in 2009. Its raw materials come from Fenggang, Guizhou, at an altitude of 800 to 1200 meters, an area ideal for tea growth. It is named Green Pearl due to its vibrant jade green color and round, pearl-like appearance. Green Pearl Tea is characterized by tightly rolled, heavy, and dense pellets. The leaves exhibit a lustrous green color with a slight pico presence. The liquor is a clear, bright yellow-green with a pure and lasting aroma and a prominent chestnut fragrance. The taste is rich, mellow, and refreshing, with long-lasting infusions. The brewed leaves are intact, tender, and yellow-green in color. Due to its relatively mature raw materials, compared to ordinary green teas, Green Pearl Tea is more resistant to multiple infusions. Today, we mainly covered the classification of green tea, the requirements for fresh leaves, and the quality characteristics of premium some green teas. Please review the content carefully after class. That's all for today's lesson. Goodbye, classmates.